So what the example I have called? K of xt is equals to e raised to x minus. Find out the resultant kernel R of x. T lambda. You have to find out the resultant kernel. For the kernel, k of xt is equals to e raised to x minus t. How to find out this? Have you started this k of xt is nothing but your k1 of xt, that is the first iterated kernel is e raised to x minus t. How to find out k2 of xt? It is nothing but integration t to x. Okay, let me write down the formula for this. Okay, k of xz, k1 of zt is a formula for this. For finding the second iterated kernel. Okay, let us write down this integration t to x as it is. What is k of xz? Instead of t, you have to replace it as z. So what will be the formula? E raised to x minus z. You people try to solve it. Okay, how to solve this one? As it integrations with respect to z. So integration t to x as it is. I will take the terms which are independent of integration. We can take it common outside the bracket, right? So here we can take the term e raised to x is outside. E raised to minus z should be inside. And here e raised to z is also inside. E raised to minus t also we can take outside. So we will take only the terms which are depending on an integration. So we have outside the bracket e raised to x minus t. Inside the integration we have e raised to z minus e raised to minus z. So both get cancelled. We can have integration with respect to z. So here e raised to x minus t as it is, integration of z within the limits. Integration of dz is z within the limit t to x. So hence we get value of k2 of xt as e raised to x minus t x minus t. Okay, have you got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Similar,
Yes, ma'am.
okay, similarly you can solve for k2. Sorry, k3 of xt is equals to integration t to x k of xz into k2 of zt dz, which is equal to k of xz, means what? E raised to x minus z. Now k2 of zt, how will you write this? Wherever you have x, you have to replace it as z. So e raised to z minus t, x replaced by z, z minus t dz. Now next we have to solve this integration. After taking the terms which are independent of integration, we can take it outside. E raised to x, e raised to minus t, this also we can take outside. Now what are the terms inside the integration? E raised to minus z plus z, that will be e raised to 0, 1, and here z minus t dz. Okay, so here outside the integration we have e raised to x minus t, and what is the integration of z? It is nothing but z square by 2 minus integration of t is t into z, say within the limit t to x. E raised to x minus t. Now here it is x square minus t square divided by 2 minus e as it is. We have to put up the limits of z, that is x minus t. Okay, now we can take x minus t outside. If I take x minus t outside, what we remains with is x plus b. This one I can write it as a square minus b square is a minus b, a plus b. X plus t divided by 2 minus t. So this we can write it as e raised to x minus t into x minus t. And this one we can write it as x plus t minus 2t divided by 2. Okay, so this minus 2t plus t, that will become minus t, and hence the formula will be x minus t square divided by 2 into e raised to x minus t. This is nothing but your k3 of xt. Okay, here we got the value of k3 of xt. Similarly, we have to find the next terms, that is k4. And then we can write the general formula for this, and hence then we can find out the resultant curve. Okay, let me write down what is k4 of xt is equals to integration t to x k of xz into k3 of zt dz, which is equal to integration t to x k of xz will be e raised to x minus z k3 of zt. Wherever you have x in the k3, you have to put it as z. E raised to z minus t, z minus t square divided by 2 dz. Okay, now simply we have to solve this integration. Solve it and tell me the answer for k4.
Ma'am, k4 of xt is equal to e raised to x minus t multiplied
Hmm.
by x minus t bracket cube divided by 3 into 2.
3 into
2.
that we can write it as 3 factorial. Okay. Now similarly you can find out the formula for general km of xt. In general, how you can write a km of xt?
Ma'am, km of xt is e raised to x minus t multiplied by x minus t bracket raised to m minus 1 divided by m minus 1 factorial.
Correct. Yes, everyone got the same answer for general km of xt.
Yes, ma'am.
So how to find out now r of xt lambda? We have to just put up the value of km of xt into multiplied by lambda raised to m minus 1. Okay. R of xt lambda is equal to summation m runs from 1 to infinity lambda raised to m minus 1 km of xt. So we have to run this summation and then we can m runs from 1 to infinity lambda raised to m minus 1 km of xt. What is the formula for km of xt? E raised to x minus t, x minus t raised to m minus 1 divided by m minus 1 factorial. Yes, are you getting any general formula for this one? Let me write down this c raised to x minus t, first one, plus after running the summation, lambda is 1, e raised to x minus t into x minus t, plus lambda square, e raised to x minus t square, divided by 2 factorial, and so on, right? So now we can take e raised to x minus t common from them, and what p remains inside the bracket 1 plus lambda x minus t plus lambda square x minus t square by 2 factorial plus up to so on. Right? Okay, this e raised to x minus t will be as it is. What will be the formula for the bracket? This is nothing but e raised to lambda x minus t. Right? What is the formula for e raised to x? It is 1 plus
1 plus x square plus 1 plus x square upon 2 factorial plus so on.
x cube by 3 factorial and so on. So we can write this as this one, and then we can combine, we can add the powers e raised to x minus t plus lambda x minus t. So we can take it e raised to x minus t if I take common. So we remains with 1 plus lambda. So we get the value of r of xt lambda, that is resolvent kernel. We get in case of k of xt is e raised to xt. We get the resolvent kernel as e raised to 1 plus lambda into x minus t. Okay. Now let us solve the examples by using the resolvent kernel. Using the resolvent kernel, we have to solve the integral equation. Just now I taken you two example for how to find out the resolvent kernel. Now we will see that how to find out the solution of Volterra integral equation with the help of a resolvent kernel. Okay. So you can write down the heading as solution of Volterra integral equation with the help of a resolvent kernel. Resolvent kernel. Okay. So first we'll write down what is a working rule for this one. What is given to us? We have one Volterra integral equation of second kind. What will be the case in the second kind? G of x is equal to 1. It is our Volterra integral equation. Okay, what is the question? Find first resolvent kernel with the help of a given kernel. Okay, you can write find. First we have to find out resolvent kernel R with the help of a given kernel k of xt. Right, this whatever the kernel you are provided in the integral equation, that is nothing but your first kernel. Then you can find out R of xt from them. And suppose the sum of above infinite series exists, then the required solution is given by. And suppose the sum of above infinite series, that means whatever the R of xt we are going to run, it is infinite sum. Now, if you are getting any sum of above infinite series exists, Just like in the last example, we have found it is in terms of e raised to, right? If we are getting r of xt lambda in terms of some uh, summation, if it is in the form of e raised to xt or anything else, if we are getting some above finite series, then the required solution is given by, then the required solution of above integral equation is given by, what is the solution? Y of x is equals to f of x as it is plus lambda integration a to x r of x t lambda f of t dt. Okay. Have you understood the step? What you have to do? First, we are provided with the integral equation. Find the resultant kernel, and if the sum of those series exists, then we can say that the solution is given by this equation. The proof for this is not given to us. Only we have a working rule for this. So let us go one by one. How to solve this one? Okay. So write the first example for this method. Y of x is equal to 1 plus x square plus integration 0 to x 1 plus x square divided by 1 plus e square y of t dt. Okay. Have you written the equation? Y of x is equal to 1 plus x square integration 0 to x.
Yes, ma'am.
1 plus x square. Okay. So in this you can verify by comparing with our equation 1. This is f of x and this is your kernel k of x. And the next step, right, comparing with our equation 1, this is our equation 1, general equation which we have read. Comparing, we get value of lambda is 1, right? Lambda is 1, f of x is 1 plus x square, k of xt is equals to 1 plus x square by 1 plus t square. Okay, now let us first find out what is km of xt, then r of xt lambda. Okay. Let me go for finding first one, k1. This is what the formula for finding our iterated kernels. Okay. In case of Holder integral equation, if it is spread out, the limits of these will be provided afterwards. Okay. Let us find out k2 of xt, integration t to x, k of xz, k1 of zt. What we have to do for this? Put n equal to 2 in the above equation. K of xz. What will be k of xz? Wherever you have t, you have to put it as z. It is 1 plus x square divided by 1 plus z square, k1 of zt. Okay, instead of x, you have to now put it as z. These two get cancelled, and we get the integration of 1 plus x square divided by 1 plus t square dz. Right. Now both are the independents of our integration. We can take it outside. X and t both are independent of integration. Integration of dz is z. Let me write down directly. the formula after this one, it will be x minus t. That is nothing but your k2 of xt. Similarly, find your k3 and tell me what is the value of k3.
Hello. Hello, ma'am.
Yes.
K3 of xt is equal to 1 plus x square upon 1 plus t square into x minus t bracket square upon 2.
Okay, correct. Similarly, we can find out k4. Find k4 and tell me what is k4. It is also same, but in x minus t cube by 3 factorial it will be. Try to solve k4 of xt. And hence we can write the general formula for km of xt is equals to this one as it is 1 plus x square plus 1 plus t square into for 4 we are getting it is 3, so x minus t raised to m minus 1 . Yes, everyone got the same answer?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now let me evaluate this one. It will be lambda raised to 0, 1. K1 we have to write here 1 plus x square by 1 plus t square plus lambda into 1 plus x square by 1 plus t square into x minus t plus lambda square 1 plus x square by 1 plus t square x minus t square by 2 factorial and so on. Now I can take 1 plus x square by 1 plus p square outside, and we can have 1 plus lambda x minus t plus lambda square x minus t square by 2 factorial plus lambda cube x minus t raised to 3 divided by 3 factorial plus 1. So we can have this formula as 1 upon 1 plus x square by 1 plus t square. Then it is e raised to lambda x minus t. And this is what the resolvent kernel we have found. Okay. So after finding the resolvent kernel, we have to, if you get the finite sum, then we can put it in our equation. What is the working rule for this one? If you get the sum, okay, if we are getting, now in this case also we have got the sum which is in the form of e raised to, so exists, so we required solution is given by this. So instead of wherever you have k of x, you have to put it as e raised to x t lambda f of t dt. Okay, so substituting r of x t lambda in the solution, required solution, we get y of x is equals to 1 plus x square plus integration 0 to x r of x t lambda. We have to put here r of x t lambda into f of x. Into f of x means 1 plus t square dt. Okay. Now let us see these two get cancel, 1 plus t square, and let us solve this integration so that we get the solution of given integral equation. This 1 plus x square we can take outside. Integration is with respect to t.
Hello, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, in the question you have given y of t only. You have not given the value of y of t.
Here y of t I have given. It is f of t, no?
Yes, ma'am.
So which one you are asking about?
Then we have to use the f of x which is outside the integration.
Right. This f of x itself we have to use here, no?
Okay.
Okay. What is your f of x first? We'll see from our equation. In the equation we have f of x as 1 plus x square. So wherever you have f of x or f of t, you can just replace x by t and we get f of t. So here is what your f of t. Don't add this one because this is what outside the integration. So now we have to evaluate this integration, then we will see what will happen. For integration of this, I can take this e raised to lambda x outside. And integration of e raised to minus lambda t will be e raised to minus lambda t divided by minus lambda within the limit 0 to x. E raised to lambda x as it is divided by this minus lambda is a constant which we can take outside. Next e raised to minus lambda x minus e raised to 0 which is 1. Now we can take 1 plus x square common from both and we get it as 1 plus this e raised to lambda x. Inside if you multiply it will be e raised to plus lambda minus lambda will be 1 So this plus, okay, let me put it as plus itself, minus lambda minus this minus I can merge here. It will be minus and plus. So this is minus e raised to 0 e raised to lambda x divided by lambda. Okay, so in this way we get the solution. Okay, what is the value of a lambda in this example?
It is 1.
Right. So initially we have written by comparing with equation 1. So let me put the value of lambda is 1. So 1 plus x square, 1 minus 1 0. So we will get it is minus e raised to x. And which is what the required solutions of our equation. I think I very missing.
Ma'am, my answer is coming out to be e raised to lambda x minus 1 in the bracket.
Lambda is 1, na?
Yes, ma'am.
So I think this minus sign we have to mark. This minus minus become plus here. If I take this minus sign inside, it will be plus.
Ma'am, it is 1 plus x square plus 1 plus x square into e raised to x minus 1.
E raised to x minus 1.
Yes, ma'am.
How is it e raised to x minus 1?
मैम लैम्डा की वैल्यू 1 पुट करे तो
हमने e raised to lambda x already outside लिया है ना. E raised to lambda x if we take outside, what will remain simply e raised to minus lambda t. Correct? तो यहाँ पे तो if डिनोमिनेटर का जो लिमिट है, सॉरी अपर लिमिट माइनस लोअर लिमिट में e raised to 0 होगा ना. e raised to 0 तो 1 है. Yes, everyone getting the answer like this, e raised to x into 1 plus x square.
Yes, ma'am.
Solving. Whereas you have to check, it may be some correction.
yes ma'am, it's right.
Okay. So in this way, we have to solve the example. Okay. Is it necessary to take one more example for this? Because if we are able to find out r of xt lambda km of xt, then we can put it directly in our equation and we get the solution. Okay. Now, what was our question? If we are not if suppose we are not getting sum of the infinite series, sometime it is not possible to get the sum of this infinite series. Now here the term is given. Suppose the sum of above infinite series exists, then the required solution is like this. Okay, now let us go for the type 2 in which we will not get the sum of that infinite series. Okay, if we are not getting the sum of the infinite series, then what we have to do? Okay, you can write it as type 2 solution of Volterra integral equation when sum of infinite series occurring in the formula doesn't exist, so we can have the some another formula for that. Okay. Solution of Volterra integral equation type 2 we can write, in which we are not getting sum of infinite series. That means r of xt lambda whatever you have, it is not having any compact form. Okay, or closed form. If it is not having any closed form, then we have to go for the type 2. In such a problem, we use the following formula to find out the solution of given integral equation. Okay, again the formula is given. Solution of Volterra integral equation when the sum of infinite series doesn't exist. If that series do not have any finite sum, then in such a problem we are going to use the following formula. You have to write down this formula: y of x is equals to f of x plus lambda integration a to x k of x t y of t dt. This is what our integral equation provided to us. Be the given integral equation. Then the solution of this integral equation be the given integral equation then the solution of this integral equation will be given by y of x is equals to f of x plus lambda raised to m integration a to x km of xt f of t dt. Instead of summation we have used the integration. r of xt lambda में क्या था? lambda raised to m minus 1 and summation m runs from 1 to infinity. Instead of summation we have given a formula for integration. Okay, km of xt was as it is ना. यहाँ पे हम सिर्फ r of xt lambda पुटअप किए थे ना लास्ट एग्जाम्पल. What is r of xt lambda? Summation m runs from 1 to infinity lambda raised to m minus 1 km of xt. Okay, यहाँ पे already एक lambda exist होता है lambda into this one. So hence, instead of having the summation, we have used the integration if you are not getting the finite sum of that series. Getting me?
Yes, ma'am.
This is called, one name for this is given, Newman series. You will come to know how to solve this example, and when we are not getting the finite sum or compact form or the closed form of our equation. If you are not getting that, we have to use this. Okay, let us solve one example for this one. Solve the Volterra integral equation. The question is like this: solve the Volterra integral equation. At that time, you have to verify which type and which method you have to use. 1 plus 0 to x into t, y of t dt. Okay, this is what our given equation 1. Now we can write comparing with the standard form. We have what is the standard form? F of x equal to 1 here. What is the value of lambda? We get it is 1. K of xt is equals to x into t. K1 of xt, what is our K1? It is nothing but here K of xt. Then now you can evaluate and you can find out K1, K2, K3 and K4 and so on. You will come to know that we are not getting the compact form. Okay, let us solve one by one. You have to also solve with me. Okay, I will write down K2 here directly. You have to solve it. K3 of xt. Three into 6 is there. So it is K4 x into t divided by 3 into 6 into 9 x cube minus t cube into raised to 3. This is what K4 we have obtained. Now you can see You're not getting any compact form or any general form of Km of xt.
Ma'am, K3, show K3.
Solve it and verify whether you are getting the same answers. Then we'll go. Everyone is instructed to be in the lecture itself. We are not having second lecture. We have to continue here on.
Ma'am, K3 is right.
Okay. Similarly, find K4 and tell me whether you get any compact form this or general form of Km of xt. Are you getting any general format? Yes, have you got the value of K4? I just put up in this formula. Okay. Here in this formula, you have to put up the value of Km of xt. Hi, NRA Km of xt. We have to run the summation now, because if we are not getting the exact form for that, we have to write the in the form of summation, right? Sorry. Here Km of xt is there now. So here I forget to write down the summation. You have to write here summation. Here you have to write down the summation. Summation n runs from 1 to infinity lambda raised to m Km of xt. Then you have to run the summation for every value, and then you have to find out what is the solution. Okay, try to find out this. See, I forget to write down the summation here. You have to write down summation m runs from 1 to infinity, and then you have to run the summation after putting all those values. That means first you have to run lambda raised to 1 integration a raised to x, integration a to x k1 of xt f of t dt. F of t is also known to you. What is f of t in this case? It is 1. F of x is also 1. Right? So put up and solve the next one, that is plus lambda raised to 2 integration a raised e to x k2 of xt. Put up the value of k2 of x2, whatever you have found, into f of t, that is 1, plus lambda raised to 3 integration a to x k3 of xt into 1 dt, and solve the integration. No doubt whatever you are going to calculate is somewhat complicated, but no need to solve that into and all. You can put it as it is, 3 into 6 into 9, and whatever the calculations later on you are getting. Okay, put them as it is, because it is somewhat complicated since we are not getting any finite sum for this one. Okay. Try to solve. If you are not able to solve, we will see in the next lecture. But now today I want to discuss that how many of you have registered for the poster competition, because yesterday was the last date for this. किती जणांनी घेतलेत participations? At least combining first and second year, we should have 100, na? 100 students we have. And if we can assume that everyone is participating, so we can have 100 posters. but only 35 responses I've got, and out of them, some of them are repeated. So total how many responses we got is, I think 30 responses. Let me check. Yes, answer me. How many of you participated, and those who haven't participated, what is the problem? Even I told you that you can do the poster of your own project topic. We have got 30 responses. Yes, सांगा काय प्रॉब्लेम होता? Yes, everyone knowing at least what is your project topic? सोनाली इंगळे आहेत?
Yes, ma'am.
Let me take the presentee. How many of you really present? सोनाली इंगळे तर absent आहे, त्यांनी काय सांगितलं नाही. Eras is present. Anuja Mad.
Present, ma'am.
Anupama.
Present, ma'am.
Okay. Next, Ashwini. Ashwini Ardak absent. Bhagyashree Deshmukh.
Present, ma'am. Present,
Hinaka Dharme.
Present, ma'am.
Gayatri Ramane.
Present, ma'am.
ईश्वर
Present.
कटके. गेले थे.
Yes, ma'am.
किरण पांढरे.
Present, ma'am.
कोमल जगताप. महिमा जगले.
Present, ma'am.
मोनाली बाबर.
Present, ma'am.
मोनाली तुमचा माईक बंद करा. नेहा लवटे.
Present, ma'am.
पूनम उमरे.
Present, ma'am.
राजत्ता स्वामी.
Present, ma'am.
राजत्ता सोडे.
Present, ma'am.
प्रीति शिंदे.
Present, ma'am.
रोहिणी दासी.
Present, ma'am.
सीमा भीमन्नवरू.
Present, ma'am.
शिवानी.
Yes, ma'am.
श्रद्धा कलशेट्टी.
Present, ma'am.
श्रुतकीर्ती.
Yes, ma'am.
स्नेहा.
Present, ma'am.
सोनाली इंगळे. स्वरांजली कुलकर्णी.
Present, ma'am.
छायाक्का निंगणे.
Present, ma'am.
वैष्णवी कुलकर्णी.
Present, ma'am.
Please convey the message to Sonali Ingre. No need to attend the lecture if you want. If she simply want to attend the Google Meet and keeping it on, you can go outside somewhere. It is for you people, not for us. Okay. How many of you participated? Vaishnavi Kulkarni. She has put the message. What about the other ones? I think Prajakta Sode is also there. Next. Only 2 students. In that meeting also, when I asked you how many have participated, these 2 students were there. What about the other one? Why you haven't participated? काहीतरी सांगा, हो तर म्हणा, नाही तर म्हणा, मला आवडत नाही काही. Whatever the reason you want to say.
Ma'am, Bhagyashree Deshmukh also participated, but I don't know why now she left the meeting. I think she has range problem.
Okay. Yes, what is the problem? Have you started your project work? Everyone. I'm not asking the students which are under my guidance. All the students, those who are present here, have you started your project work?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Have you come to introduction at least? ते तर एक्सप्लेन करू शकतो ना आपण आपल्या प्रोजेक्टला ते पोस्टर करून. Okay, whatever the topic you have got, you have to search for the applications, real life examples. If you're not getting, at least you can get the examples or the applications in maths also. Okay, no need to go for real life examples or real life application. If you're not getting any real life application, no doubt mathematics do not have any direct application. You have to search for that what is an indirect way or what is an application in mathematics or in physics or in electronics. Anywhere you can search, right? And that applications, at least one application you can get from your project topic. सगळ्यांना ऍटलीस्ट एक तर ऍप्लिकेशन भेटला असेल ना तुमच्या प्रोजेक्टच्या, का अजून सर्च केलं नाही? Yes, try to speak because it is for you people. Project, presentations, poster, these type of competitions for you people, not for us. At least you can get the participated certificate, na? Okay, just now everyone, those who are present, you have to tell me what the project work you have done. Don't tell me that group has group चे मेंबर काय करत नाही आम्हीच करतो असं सांगायचं नाही. प्रोजेक्ट तुम्हाला पण आहे, सगळ्यांना इंडिपेंडेंट मार्क्स आहेत. सो स्टार्टिंग विथ एहराज, व्हॉट यू हॅव डन युअर प्रोजेक्ट अँड टेल मी द प्रोजेक्ट टॉपिक. नेक्स्ट अनुजा. Am I audible, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Eras, what is your project topic and what you have done in your project? Please 20.
Ma'am, game theory.
Game theory, okay. What you have done in game theory?
I'm collected
ये
PDFs.
तो रियल लाइफ एप्लीकेशंस बहुत है ना. इन द बिजनेस वी कैन यूज अ गेम theory. In share market also we can have a game theory. Minimum number of things you have to take and you have to have a maximum profit. Minimum maxima use करते हैं ना game theory में. हाँ right.
Yes, ma'am.
What you have done for your project, Eras? You have to tell me now. Everyone have to speak. In general विचारले तर कोणी सांगत नाही.
हम इंट्रोडक्शन शेखर को दिए थे, उसको प्रिपेयर कर रहा था इंट्रोडक्शन.
I told you initially that you shouldn't say that we've given this for this person. Okay, at least you should also search. Na, I told you in the last 10 days before that when we have extended the date for the poster, I've told you that you have to prepare the poster for your project only. Next, Anuja. आहेत का प्रेझेंट?
Yes, ma'am.
काय केलं, काय प्रोजेक्ट टॉपिक?
Golden ratio.
गोल्डन रेशो डायरेक्ट एप्लीकेशन आहे ना. हाउ टू फाइंड द ब्यूटी.
Oh.
का बर केलं पोस्टर? So many real life applications are there for golden ratio. Many real life examples are there for golden ratio. Next, Anupama Andre.
न्यूमेरिकल एनालिसिस है मैम.
Numerical analysis.
पीडीएफ. हाँ, न्यूमेरिकल मेथड फॉर द सोल्युशन ऑफ पार्शियल डिफरन्शियल इक्वेशनचे पीडीएफ शोधून ठेवले. अजून नाही लिहिलं काय.
ओके. अश्विनी अर्धक आहेत का?
येस मॅम.
काय प्रोजेक्ट टॉपिक?
क्रिप्टोग्राफी.
क्रिप्टोग्राफीचे किती ऍप्लिकेशन्स आहेत आपल्याकडे? का बरं केलं नाही प्रोजेक्ट? Have you started your project or have you done things? असं विचार तर आला का हो बाबा आपण पोस्टर करायचं म्हणून? That time also I told you this is what the last competition, maybe last of competition. As a student you are going to participate. Next, Bhagishri Deshmukh.
Yes, ma'am.
What is a project topic?
Mathematics modeling.
मॉडेलिंग तर नावातच आहे. तुम्हाला रिअल लाईफ ऍप्लिकेशन्स पर भेटतात
हो
ना?
हो मॅडम. हां, कॅन्सरचं एक आहे आणि 2-3 मॉडेल बॅक्टेरियावरचे ते आम्ही सर्च करतोय अजून. इंट्रोडक्शन बघितलेलं आहे.
का बरं केलं नाही पोस्टर? तुम्ही त्या दिवशी छान
पोस्टर केलंय मॅडम.
केलंय का? ओके.
हां.
पिनक्का धर्मे.
Yes, ma'am.
काय प्रोजेक्ट टॉपिक?
Applications of LPP.
ऍप्लिकेशन्स ऑफ
LPP.
अच्छा. नेक्स्ट गायत्री ब्राह्मण.
येस मॅम.
व्हॉट इज अ प्रोजेक्ट टॉपिक?
मॅथमॅटिकल मॉडेलिंग.
का बरं केलं नाही पोस्टर? 3-4 ऍप्लिकेशन्स होते ना तुमच्या टॉपिक मध्ये?
येस मॅम.
ऍप्लिकेशन घेतलं असतं ना? नेक्स्ट किरण पांढरे.
Ma'am, study coronavirus in using mathematics.
What happens for that? Or you can take any other topic na, if you are not so much familiar with the topic. Okay, next Komal Jagtap.
Modular arithmetic.
Next Mahima.
Yes, ma'am.
What is a project topic?
Mathematical modeling.
Okay. Have you done the poster?
No, ma'am.
Next Poonam Umbre.
Yes, ma'am.
Numerical methods for solving PD.
Okay. Rajatta Swami.
येस मॅम.
सांगा टॉपिक काय तुमच्या प्रोजेक्टचा?
ॲप्लिकेशन ऑफ LPP.
Have you got any application?
बघितलेत मॅम तसे 3-4 ॲप्लिकेशन. चालेल.
सोडेने केलाय ना प्रोजेक्ट पोस्टर?
हो.
प्रीती शिंदे.
Numerical methods for solving PD.
Why you haven't participated in poster competition? कोण करणार आहेत पोस्टर मध्ये पार्टिसिपेट? आपण कॉम्पिटिशन घेतो, आपले जे स्टुडंट पार्टिसिपेट नाही करणार का? निमा भीमनवरू.
Madam, application of differentiation.
Okay. Have you participated in poster?
No, ma'am.
Shivani.
Yes, ma'am.
Project topic is golden ratio, ma'am.
Okay. Why you haven't participated?
Ma'am, I wasn't well. Today I am well, but the date was yesterday's date.
Have you communicated to Dhini ma'am about this one?
No, ma'am. I thought she might know. That's why I did not ask.
Okay. श्रद्धा
Yes, ma'am.
काय
Study of coronavirus using mathematics.
ओके श्रुती कीर्ती सलगर
Yes, ma'am. Study of coronavirus using mathematics.
स्नेहा राव
Yes, ma'am. Modular arithmetic.
स्वरांजली कुलकर्णी
Yes, ma'am. Application of differentiation.
गायिका निंगणे
Yes, ma'am. Numerical analysis for solving PD.
वैष्णवी कुलकर्णी
Ma'am, project topic name is differentiation and its application. I am participated in poster competition.
Okay. You have to tell other students why they are not attending the lectures. Only 23 students are there. 50% पर नहीं है. Okay, write one more example. Find the k of xt. In the next lecture, we will solve the integration. K of xt is equals to x minus t.
My previous answer.
I will tell you later on. I will solve it and in the next lecture, and I will tell you the answer for that.
Okay, ma'am.
Leave at least half an page for that, and then you have to write the next one. Write the question. Y of x is equal to 1 plus x plus lambda integration 0 to x minus t y of t dt. I will repeat the question. Y of x is equals to 1 plus x plus lambda integration 0 to x minus t y of t dt. Okay, as k of xt is known to you, x minus t, try to find out k1, k2, k3. And if you are not getting any general form, stop up to them, and then we will solve in next lecture how to find out the solution of these equations. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, you can leave the meeting. You can join the next lecture at that particular time. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Hello, ma'am.